Okay guys, today we have Ripple number 4 review with pros and cons that I'm gonna do right now. The first thing is, let's see what it got. On the back side, it got a USB-C port, a Ethernet cable jack, a HDMI port, and a charging port. On the right side, it got one SD card reader for your memory card or camera card, and two USB 3.2 port. And on the left side, you have got dedicated ports for microphone and speaker for your headphone, and one USB 2 jack. And yeah, you surely got a lot of fans like the left, right, back, everywhere, as you can see. Let's open it up. I have i7 1210, RTX 3060, 512GB SSD, 8GB DDR5, 4800 MHz RAM, and let's see how well it performs. Look at this, it looks so stunning after powering on. Look at the RGB backlit keyboard. Look at that great display. It's actually a lot great laptop. I don't have any complaint about this laptop, and I recommend everyone to buy right now because I'm a happy, satisfied customer of Ripple. So guys, if you want to talk about the cons of this laptop, the one con is that what I don't like is it's not like I don't like it, I'm okay with, but you may not like it because it catches your fingerprint on its build, like on its display lid. Now if you touch it, it will get dirty and your fingerprint will stay there, so you may use it to clean it. Yeah, that is the only con, and I guess it is okay for gaming laptop because what matter is performance. Okay, if you talk about the sound quality, let us go to YouTube, play some audio. Okay, let's like choose any of it. This is about 50% volume. And for audio, the Ripple is providing Sound Blaster Cinema 6 Plus. So you have to go to this setting, and let me show you the difference between Sound Blaster and without Sound Blaster. That is like equalizer, like Dolby Atmos. We are at 100% volume. Okay, this is the sound. I guess it is okay. It's not that much great, but it's loud and it's not that much of noisy and things. And you can just do your sound setting from the Sound Blaster Cinema 6, and it's so awesome that you can do that. And while watching movie, you can get actually a loud volume and clear volume. Like I don't have any trouble watching movies, English movies at the speaker, because like English movies on my old Dell laptop, it didn't work this way at all. There was some kind of sometimes the volume will go just so small, and sometimes it will go so loud. And so yeah, but this laptop, it's actually great to watch movies too. And if you want to talk about this display, it's actually a great display. It got 2K 2560x 1440 panel, and it got 100% yes RGB. I don't know about that because I don't have the testing device, but like Gadget Byte had told it has 100% is RGB, so I think that is great because its brightness is actually at 36% of brightness. Yeah, I can actually increase it up to 100, as you can see. This is 100, this is 0, and this is 50. Like, I don't go on 100, and it's actually good. It may not be that much great in the outlight or directly into the sunlight and outdoor, but it is actually great for the monitor. And what I didn't like there, like another con that that was there was it is just a software, I guess, not with the hardware. They could have done it so easily. The thing is in display. Let me go. Advanced display, yeah, like refresh rate. This display actually had 165 and 60 and 40 hertz by default. It didn't have 60 hertz. Like, to get the 60 hertz option, what I had to do was go to NVIDIA control panel, set custom resolution, set custom resolution, and just put the 60 hertz option in the custom resolution. So that is how I got it. They could have just done the simple software fast, I guess, but they don't have that. And about cons, I don't think there is that much of a con on this laptop because it is great. The price and performance value is just so great in this laptop. The only thing is, like, like the build quality is not that great. It is plastic build, I guess this is plastic, but it's strong. Like, it will give you for many years you can use this laptop. The only thing is, like that fingerprint is the only thing, like I told you. Else we don't have anything. That is the problem here. And this laptop actually come with control center. Let me explain you the settings of the control center. I can't explain you much, but before that, I want to show you the maximum fan speed, right? If you can hear in the camera, I don't know, because this camera is actually picking up from so far away, like the bird chirping from very outside. And this camera was actually picking that noise in the mic, so yeah, you will get it. What is the fan noise? It's not actually that loud like Acer Nitro 5 or any other gaming laptop, but let me show you. Okay, I guess you did hear that. And while let me talk while the fan is on. Okay, I don't know if you can hear me or not, but it is not as loud as other gaming laptop. It is just cool, like it will not disturb like a lot of surrounding things, and it is just when you wear the earphone or headphone, you won't hear a bit of noise at all. I like this fan actually a lot. Now let's jump into the screen recorder on the Windows and see